So, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa akin, by the way, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add additional videos or how to earn additional videos sa ating Loom. As you can see guys, ang allowable lang na videos for Loom is only 25. So, what I did para maging 75 videos siya is click nyo lang itong gift button. Then, as you can see, may dalawang option kung paano makapag-invite na or maka-earn ng 25 videos. So, first thing is, pwede mong i-copy yung invite link, then isend mo sa email o sa pagsisendan mo na gusto mong i-invite. The other one naman is, you can input the email address here, then send invite button. So, as you can see, meron na akong 75 videos available na pwedeng gamitin sa Loom. Sayang din siya kahit sabihin natin 5 minutes lang yung pwede mong i-record sa Loom at the same time free pa siya. So, as what I did, nag-send ako ng invite link sa aking isang email. Then, nag-create ako ng video. And by the way guys, yung in-invite nyo pala, once na nag-create siya ng video, meron kayong additional na 25 videos. So that's why I earn 50 videos and the total videos I have right now is 75 videos. And that is all for now. That's all for now guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye for now, guys.